Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Hyundai Genesis. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as cruise control, leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, heated and ventilated seats, power moonroof, and fully automatic headlights. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.